You're going to finish it for the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for a new episode of Cafe Guard. Janun, Faustomida. Today we're going to make the king of dessert, the most recognizable dessert in the world. What is it? Of course, it's tiramisu. Tiramisu literally means cheer me up. It was most likely made by farmers' wives in the old days to boost their energy when they came back tired from work. That's one of the stories, but nobody knows really the origins. We all know though it is delicious. It has 4 main ingredients: egg, sugar, coffee, and mascarpone, and another ingredient, fifth, savoiardi. I'm gonna show you the recipe of my mom, Marelli Piera. Our family is composed by 7 people. We usually eat tiramisu in one night. So this is the recipe: 300 grams of savoiardi, 300 ml of coffee made with our new bricca from Bialetti, 4 eggs, very fresh and room temperature, 500 grams of mascarpone, make sure it is a good quality, 100 grams of white sugar, bitter cacao. Then we're gonna put the tiramisu in this container. Let's go! Let's make it! I can't wait! Woo! Let's start to separate the egg white from the yolk. I'm gonna put the white of the egg in the fridge. Half of the sugar goes inside the yolks. That's it. Okay, this is how it should be. Okay, let's add the mascarpone. Okay, the cream is ready. Can I try? Now we're gonna wash the whisk. It's very important to wash them very well and dry them because we're going to whisk the egg white now. And slowly we're adding the sugar. How do you know if egg white is stiff enough? Okay, now we have to combine the 2 mixtures to make the mascarpone egg cream. It has to be delicate work because otherwise we're going to deflate the egg whites and it's gonna be a mess. So take a couple of big spoons. Firstly, energetically incorporate the egg white, mix it from bottom to top. So many memories. The last part. I have so much satisfaction doing this. It's so enjoyable. Okay, done. Now it's time to soak the savoiardi in the coffee. Important thing, the coffee shouldn't be too hot, otherwise the savoiardi is gonna break down. And it shouldn't be too soggy either. So we're just gonna put it in for a couple of seconds only. Some people put cream before, but in my family, we don't. Start with the biscuit first. Now, 1 layer of cream. I'm gonna do an abundant layer of cream around. This time we go the opposite way. 2, 3. Be creative. This is real abundance, guys. Wow. Third layer done. 3 hours in the fridge now. Now we're gonna do a little bit of dusting with the dark chocolate powder. Wow, I love this. Abundance, as usual. We love abundance, look at that. By the way, this is a Christmas special. I'm gonna put this sprinkled white chocolate on top, as well as the mint chocolate. Ooh. Cute. Okay, let's find out if this is good or not. I'm gonna just go like that. Nothing fancy, just take it out. Woo. Let's see if I can make my mama proud. Wanna try? Yeah.
I start diet from tomorrow. You don't need to finish it for the video.
I got some leftover cream and savoiardi. I'm gonna make a mini tiramisu in this coppa. Okay, before you go guys, remember to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment at what you think of this tiramisu. See you next time. Ciao!